Breaking news. There was a fire at Tesla Roadster specialist Gruber Motors the day before my scheduled visit. By now you should know that I'm a Tesla fan, and that goes all the way back to the original Tesla Roadster. The Roadster was built on a heavily modified Lotus Elise chassis from 2008 to 2012. Only 2,450 were made, with production halted so Tesla could focus on the design and manufacture of the Model S. The last Roadster rolled off the line almost 10 years ago, and that's a very long time in the life of any highly technical product. Tesla doesn't offer official support for them anymore, and that's where Gruber Motors steps in. Pete Gruber, with the mirrored sunglasses exuding confidence in the ultimate cool, and his skilled team have done a deep dive into the Roadster, offering repair services to owners worldwide. They have reverse engineered and are able to repair most problems with the battery pack, the charger, the inverter, the cooling system, the climate control, 12-volt battery, bodywork, and more. They are the acknowledged experts in everything related to the Roadster. A big goal of my road trip this year was to stop in at the Gruber facility in Phoenix, as they offer tours to anyone interested who shows up. 2 days ago, I emailed Pete to clarify if they were operating on Sunday, because I would be arriving in Phoenix on the evening of Saturday, October 16th. I was shocked when I got the following email from Pete himself at 2:26 a.m. on Sunday morning. Michael, thank you for requesting a tour. We give them daily and would have loved to meet you. We had a fire in the main service center in the middle of the night around 2:15 a.m. at Gruber Motor Company, which appeared to have started in or around an electrical panel. No one was injured since no one was there. The main service center building is a complete loss. At this time, there is nothing left to see. We have an expansion building under construction, which will now be a temporary facility for the continuation of our operations. Respectfully, Pete Gruber. This is devastating news. Not only were many cars destroyed inside the building, both customer-owned and Gruber cars, but also their stock of rare materials and their electronics labs where they did all the repair work. Pete and his staff must be devastated because they've all put their blood, sweat, and tears into the business and keeping the spirit of the Roadster alive. This is actually their second fire. The first one, 4 years ago in 2017, was during the test of a battery pack. The pack caught on fire and they were unable to roll the car out of the building before major damage was done. Pete believes the second fire was from an electrical panel in the building's wiring. So now my visit to Gruber Motors has changed from excitement to sadness. I drove over to the Gruber building this afternoon and took some video of the state of the site. There's a strong smell of burnt rubber in the air. All of the windows and doors are boarded up, and there's a tall security fence around the perimeter. This is what I was able to capture. I'm linking Pete's own video about the fire. Please watch it and understand the devastation. My best wishes to Pete and his family and staff and current and potential future customers. I hope they're able to land back on their feet and continue their services to the Roadster community in the near future. Hey, if you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my other content, I'd appreciate a subscribe. Take care and see you next time.